Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get compound coins using the Trust Wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open your Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section, and at the wallet section on the top of the screen, you see the receive and buy icons. You can either buy or receive compound on Trust Wallet, then choose the one that you are interested in, type in compound, and when you tap on it, it's going to generate for you your QR code and your address. And with this QR code and address, you can receive compound in your Trust Wallet. You can either go to copy and it's going to copy your address, or you can tap on set amount and choose a set amount of compound, and it's going to generate a new QR code. And with this new QR code, you can receive compound. And this is a very cool feature for payments or transactions. And with the share icon, you can share your compound QR code and on social media or any other platforms. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone and see you in the next one. Bye.